Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this shit. Greetings once again of the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. Now I think that's good, you see it, and wonderful about us. I want to welcome our viewers and subscribers. See? Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and help grow the thing. Like it and share it, you know. Yeah, man. Now, Richard Stephens, you 48 hours run out in a Rasta. So, knowledge say 48 hours you did have to declare yourself. I make you know what go on. You see, when I look nothing, me not have nothing for lose. You have everything for lose. You see, I'm willing to take that from you. You see, you know, like rapists. Especially when them amongst us for so long and we know say enough people them hurt, we have whole heap of vengeance in our body for them. You know, see, so hurry up and say what you are saying. You know, see, because we not ask permission from nobody, and we not sit down and wait for validation from nobody. You know, see it, and we have a resource them too. And we're ready, we're prepared for you. But we have to deal with your friend them first. You know, see it. You know, see it. We want to realize the fact that the Jamaican dancehall scene is a toxic, hotbed of nasty deviants. And we can't swear for none of them. You know, see it. All of them where I man swear for in the past, I can take it back. You know, see it. Because none of the male figure them who is not that way persuaded ever step up and talk out against the things them where them know say the male colleague are going with in the dance hall. You know, see it. So all who in there claim say them are rapists, them are rapists too, and them get raped. You know, see it. Because when you have to bite your lip and watch them thing that happen and can't say nothing because you look at opportunity too. You essentially have to stay silent just like the woman who get abused. You know, see it. Just forget a boss. So you morally get that too. You know, see it. And you sit down there and watch and laugh to yourself and smile and wave for opportunity and allow the beast them, the slithering worm them, the slug them, the enormous slug them, wherever move them move, everything where them touch is just a slug of them pus. It's just a line of pus, them left. You know, see it. I want to have them in there, I still support them and I enable them. You know, see it. Because you keep silent about them and you have personal experience and personal knowledge about them. And you know self say poor people governor. All bounty. Me disappointed in you because you can't tell me say you don't know bounty. So that boy they a raper. And if you never know, you don't know say him Tanya Stephens attack. You know, see it. Now if I want to pick up the nonsense when me pick up the sense out of the nonsense when me pick up the other day. And if I want to know long time in details where I go and Shabba did know. If you don't mind Shabba Patcha know too. You know, see, the whole of them know. If them don't know about a particular incident, them know say the place is a toxic hotbed for molesters like that. Predators like that. You know, see, the whole of them know a colleague who is so more than one too. You know, see, Jamaica have the culture there. When enough of them feel like say, as long as you get it inside a girl, I fear her fault. You know, see it. Richie Stephens and enough other people link me and make me know say yes. You do that to them too. You try it with them. At least try it with them. Me hear it from others. You know, see it, predator. And all of the man them where you deal with is a disgrace, Rasta. For keep your secret till now and a time for them shun you. And avoid you and don't make you draw down for them career. You know, the cesspit, the sink, the stink. Where you're one inner, or eventually a head inner. Because Rasta now let up. Go to Oliver Road, Warieka, you go ask them, oh, Tommy deal with the rapist. That's why I'm so hard at Tanya Stephens. Because during the period, minded up. And if she did ever just whisper it, make I man hear them time there, you think no boy, he can come in on my comment section, come tell me say a lie, me I tell, or ask me what me coulda did do. Any boy asks that, no do no research. You hear that? Devastate me. You know, see it? Because I love female artists when them push through. And Tanya Stephens was one of the first we come and stand predominant certain way. You know, she always have like a fresh hit. And she up on the scene to for a while so the whole I would know and get familiar with her and love her. And the concept of her craft was so connecting, that engaging. You know, see, that's when you hear it, you just feel like a part of what she has said. So it was easy to relate and associate with the character. You see? So when we hear them things in them days, enough things run through the whole away, because if we didn't know from them days, the boy Richie Stephens, you couldn't then know it. In a dancehall right now, boy, you had big DJ, the big thick slime yourself, ever the seal them, the sea monster them, the sea, you know, see it, with a big flabby nose, panic. You can just imagine how the woman them feel. You know, see it. Enough of us still exist in the dancehall and other DJ down there protect them. You know, see, me I declare say the dancehall industry is a cesspit for harboring rape predators. Jamaica dancehall have more rape predator in it than good people. You know, see it, because the guy them we are protect rape, protect the one. You see, the one them when I do it, no say the one them we are do it, I do it. And them I protect them, I facilitate them as well. You know, see it. So inevitably, them are hold the woman them when the actual guy them a do it and I talk about them not in them thing there. You know, see it. You know, see it, them enable them guy there. No guy couldn't do that around me. I know in a crew with me parring. You know, see it. No guy. You know, see it. So you're not gonna get me a link with you to do another move, but me I say me not deal with you because you're that. You're woman abuser. No. Me not deal with them none at all for your predator. Furthermore, one deal more and deal with you. One deal is more and deal with you. Nobody not to deal with that again. Straight talk. You know, see it. So I don't know where some guy get them principle from. That's why I tell you so shiny things and them things not attract my attention, you know. You know, see, because you look on some boy are just a shell. And you know, enough people can't look past the shell. You know, see, because you look at some boy can't show them eye in them, because when you're looking at them eye, you see the person who them truly is. You know, see it. You know, see it. It's big, monstrous, sick, twisted, predator looking image of a guy. You know, see it. Walking at the dance hall and like him do as you just feel like people send them data come a dance hall, which are people dance data thief out of house. However, them find themselves in the genre I try to create a career Rasta, and a dirty guy like you we actually can do better, because when you hear from Tanya Stephens' story, it's not like you even make no attempt to try. Indicate say you find her attractive, the way they whatsoever none at all. That don't mean she should have draw away and distance herself from you. You know, see it, she could have easily find as a nice guy and just say no, you're not for your type, so she just go and build. You know, see it. But that wasn't your intention. Your intention is just to do what you do, the way you do it, because I saw you enjoy it. Just like how the girl described it. He's a monster. And everybody will protect you too. He's a monster like you. Every artist we in the dancehall genre Rasta, we know say you is and everybody else, anybody else will hold on people data and I sleep with them. You see it. You see another singer come declare say no who and now call the perpetrator name, because if Tanya Stephens say the name, her career done. How kind of licky dibby You see them boy are one be a bad boy. You know see them boy I get tired. Them boy I get like say them I get bribe for be of a certain innocent open and apparent Rasta. If one female cannot shout for so long, see a thing like this happen to her. And everybody in the industry know what happened and know how to do it. And now say nothing Jamaican dancehall. Me don't know when it stays up from when it start. Or when it have end. It's supposed to a time for it end now. You know see it. A time for it end. We don't embrace them type of behavior there. We don't embrace them type of behavior there. The guy them we a play tune for we or a sing tune for our wax them not supposed to be that way persuaded Rasta. You know see, because the society is not that way inclined. You see it. Some of you know where some guy come from with this, and them say man go up and say, and on a bun gay man, on the worse than gay man. Gay man not rape nobody Rasta. Everything what gay people do to them one another is consensual in most cases. You see it? It's legal. Because that reasoning between the two individuals, them Rasta. You see it? When I go hold on, when I sing about a nasty rape himself, the gay man them have more dignity than uno. The word dancehall me attack every dirty DJ when that. Big up yourself, Frankie Sly, my general. Big up yourself, Wayne Wanda. My general, and I want to me attack. I want to alone me can swear for. You see it? And Spragga Benz. You see it? But because Eastman not told nothing. Yeah, evidently. Historically, Eastman not that way inclined. You know that. We don't say the odd incident no crack up here and there now and then. But very soon, the character himself will get eliminated because it's a very sure way for inevitably disappear by, engaging in a them type of activity in East Kingston or a star. From copper days of them thing, that's how it's set. We not entertain them sort of thing there. So, we can essentially swear for the money and the money on the front long enough now from the persuasion where them come from, the woman, they would have see themselves empowered enough because the community empower them like that. If you at least talk about it, you see, whether they want to press charge or not or feel like further it or whatever, it's not going to be a case where the woman, they want to come under pressure. We just don't say, say them is known as that. And it's plain and simple as that. You see it? Strong possibility of being shunned. Why you talk about strong possibility? You always are going to be shunned when you get exposed them type of way there. You see it? Worse in East Kingston. You see it? But for the rest of that, Rasta, for the rest of dancehall, I might not have no form of reason or purpose. For really, they are not think say, you can swear for no man. You see it? You see it? A man might not do it publicly or to certain character where we know say established or probably out there, for create some attention to them plight. But it look like say a guy you can't take that from none on until you clean up on a business and declare yourself. Jamaican dancehall scene is a cesspit. It's like a landfill of predator against the female gender. You see, too much woman come from that sector complain, and every man we're in there just comfortable and nah say nothing. You don't hear no man. I stand up for the woman, them or I defend them. Rasta, ballin', everybody just turn a deaf ears and a blind eye when they hear the woman them complain. Nobody not go have no support as a group up and go support all that woman we are complain like that, but your company where you work for. Know. I want to protect one another. You see it? Male chauvinist runt. You see it? Somehow I told you there, no airboy, no bad man, no singer and DJ, And if you make the world know that too, and rappers. Look like a that is singers, DJs and rappers. You see it? Send come call on the door come. Cause on the world tour around a challenge on the stage show them done. And you feel comfortable to stand up on that again. No son of violate man. You see it? What I'm telling you, what I want some dirty boy. You see it? Hold on no. Nah, take no lie. You see it? No, to someone come out and all that jump and all that swear and all that push certain things. You know, see, some of not do it for benefit. Not for not do nothing unless you get. Mr. Bunty put out I do go on with a foundation thing the other day. That a benefit Bunty too, you know. It's a benefit Bunty tax. You know, see it. You know, see it. So enough time you see people run come about charity and rate. Yo, a fire for someone, you know. You have to come out and stand up now and talk out against them dirty boy they we associate and rub up them shoulder, we don't know. If uno is not that way inclined, you don't have mother, you don't have sister, you don't have daughter. We could have more than likely come like the business, the industry, like uno and come follow and in it in a rasta. You know, see, some of them go that dead before them reach the stage where you can assist them and guide them rasta. And them same dirty predator there. Them are going to engage with, you know. I want to sit down there and watch that happen to other people, pick and feel like say, hey, remember, you know, karma. You see it. Infinity means a cycle. You know, see it. And that life is about, you know. You know, see it. You know, see it. From me hear Tanya Stephens story, me know say enough other artists hear it too. And know if them never know from day one, because people did out there when the incident happened. Dirty boy, you think man ready for you yet? Eh? You think we're ready for you yet? You think we're ready for you yet? In fact, some know says the youth them are going with badness today and them not a cause, them not a direction, you know. You know, see, because a boy like you from now on or from yesterday, if you walk and buy liquor everywhere, just make sure say of them man they are going to beat you. I mean them man they are beat you, they might have the mercy upon you when this thing you come out for sure. If you come forward and say something, who you think you're not a dignitary and a diplomat boy, eh? You like say you not have to say nothing, you can't stay say, hey boy, you get paid, you know. You get paid. You think you're nothing? We want to know what go on too. As a matter of fact, and a demand, we a demand that in a boy. That boy you know, you know. Come out and say something and do something that go on like say, like a beg bad man a beg you nothing in a punk. You know see it? Man not beg you nothing, you know. Talk what go on. You know see it? And not sing again, boy, you know. You know see it? And find somewhere got to. Know that. Straight talk. You know see it? I want to you. Find somewhere go. Find somewhere go. And not sing boy again. You know see it? You think a joke? You hear me tell you the word out. Go and go. Call my bluff. I'm to look at dirty raper boy in a business I come go on like so and nothing like say. I want to know. No for go man. I have some vlogger out there who me say can't enough people know, you know. From yesterday I drop all the video I hear no man say nothing in supporting enough man I go on like the man sweep it underneath the carpet and go on like so well. No for you know. A who bandwagonist. No for you know we sit down around vlogging machine run camera and right. I bet if it was a boy get raped on that job. But if the police murder a guy and find him with a gun, even though I'm a stepper. And the crowd ball out and I say, yo, a murder. No for to run with it long time and publicize it, place it because the place all the police wicked and the youth could have did save. And them thing they don't want to run with. But the reggae music, the music we promote and permit where everybody know and hear about as soon as a pin drop in the music world here. An incident like this happen we tarnish everyone with character as being accepting of such behaviors. You see it? None of them said nothing. None of them ask no question. Like when you just say, Tanya Stephens, I said this, Tanya Stephens, I said that. You know how she attack, man. You know how she attack, Rasta. You know how she attack, man. Richie Stephens, man, careful, man. Be careful, man. Because we don't take bribing and a politician no control with our police, you know. You know see it? You don't know that too, man. You want dirty molester, man. You want predator, man. Dirty predator boy. You think you can come send an argument or make an argument or make a chat? Eh? Which dog will come make representation on your behalf? Eh? Which boy got to ask how them Tommy from Warieka, man? Go ask, go do no dirty research, man. Go check JBC archive, CVM archive, and them thing there. You know see it? Walk around now, the thing that hurt me the most is how much other young lady when I have the vice or the character where Tanya Stephens have. You definitely, obviously prey upon. You see it? And you're willing to be violent because you're the girl describe how you beat her. You see it? I must kill her, subdue her, and have her in your house. Have her in your house for hours. You see it? Hey, alright. Raper boy. Alright, raper boy. And think a joke. No disrespect, man. You see it? No disrespect. We don't entertain them thing there. You see it? And we not stand one side and make the boy feel comfortable. Like him have rape immunity. When him keep up them thing, them feel like him can get away with it and brag do shit and boast and go around the world same way and perform same way like it's nothing. Your man have a campaign a go on for you in the UK, you know, dirty boy. You have a campaign a go on boy for you. You see it? You say you can't hold on in and pass through if you're allowed. You see it? But yeah. Because them youth are reading a daily raping and pedophile and molesting and them type of thing, the boy and all that. You know, see, because them youth are black. Them consider themselves Jamaican, all the African, them consider themselves Jamaican. You know. Mind you, not Yardy, you know. Jamaican. You know, see it? Remember that. You know, see it? And the word is out. He is a molester. He is a predator. You know, see it? The word is out, Rasta. You see, this is not where people are trying to look at fame or a brag or a bribe off of you. And me, I say, me no say you're a predator. You see, yeah, first-hand information, independent information, even from Tanya Stephens, since I dropped all the video about you yesterday. Independent information forward, say, you is a predator Rasta. You see it, and you have to get beaten out of the business and go away. It's a big, me say, it hurt me. The amount of charisma when me see. And I say, all of Ellis Kelly, Cabo, the whole of them down there with strength and resource and all of them think, hey, you can't make them boy continue to ask the right question them and stop holding on and go like you're afraid to ask if it's true. While you don't know say it's true, from there's any simple small indication, there's no way. No radio station, no boss, or nobody should I get have any interaction with character them like them the Rasta from the name of car like that. You know, see it, no man shop all gonna get this thing already too. That's why I'm not so quiet, because I'm ashamed. If you say nothing, you don't have to talk to, you don't have to admit to, say, that, because him good a boss out, say, before you say nothing, say, you did give him. So people can come ask if him and them type of people. You can't counter that again, you know. Say, I take him, they take it, you know. So all I want to say they are wait for other girl to get the strength to come forward. Because you have some form of pride that protect Rasta. The pride will not protect a fee him one. Him pride out of the equation, and him take that and have both yours and fee him wanna walk with over there. So here, you live in denial and I make a predator continue with him career. Me not talk the singing career, the predatorial career, the same incident where you suffer from. Don't feel like it stopped with you and you're the only person I use the only and bad lucky or you so bad lucky. No. If you think it have nothing to do with luck, you wish you was a fly on the wall of them type of criminal there. House, our office, our place of business, wherever them ply them dirty trade. You don't see it. You don't see it. No disrespect. Me not have no respect for nobody in the reggae, in the music business. They all I want to know what Tanya Stephens got through. Who was the perpetrator? The whole dancehall. Guilty. You know see it. Me no partiality around here. The whole I don't know. And if whole I don't know. Final and yeah, done. Give thanks. Rastafari.